Imagine a place where history meets the future, a hub for innovation and connection. Welcome to the Bombay Troubadours Network. We're transforming forgotten spaces into vibrant centers of creativity and entrepreneurship. Old factories and farms reborn as state-of-the-art facilities where digital nomads, innovators, and dreamers can gather. With our cutting-edge app and the Time for Change coaching program, members of our network have everything they need at their fingertips. Manage your projects, expand your knowledge, and connect with a global community, all in one place. Join us and be part of a movement. Whether you're looking for a dynamic place to work, learn, or just connect, Bombay Troubadours is your gateway to a world of opportunities. Space is limited, and the potential is endless. Visit us at bombaytroubadours.com to become part of this exciting journey. Bombay Troubadours, where your future is forged with the echoes of the past,